Tyrese Maxey X New Balance Hesi Low V2 Hero Pack drops July 31, 2025, for $120, bringing bold versatility and performance-driven design. Designed for agility and speed, the sneaker features a lightweight midsole for responsive cushioning and energy return, keeping every step quick and controlled. A multi-directional outsole ensures reliable traction during cuts and fast-paced movement, whether you're on the court or the blacktop. The gray mesh upper provides breathability, while striking blue accents and synthetic overlays add durability and a clean visual pop. Built with New Balance's heritage in mind, it merges sport function with street style. The adaptive lacing system offers a secure, customizable fit for any playstyle. Perfect for hoopers and sneakerheads alike, the Hero represents Maxey's energy and New Balance's innovation in one slick silhouette, ready for game time or everyday wear.